This episode is filmed in partnership with Wildog 4x4 Accessories. After weeks of design, precision handcrafting, and now finally the day has come for our first test fitment. The rear bumper would end up being a perfect fit. The rock sliders were another story. They needed a little bit of cutting and readjustment, but in the end we got them fitting just right. Next up was the front bumper. With the winch plate and the radiator guard at the ready, they began the installation. The bumpers coming off with ease, exposing the bare Jimny beneath it. On goes the winch plate, bolted right onto the front end of the chassis. I must say, the raw steel looks incredible, but I certainly cannot wait for it to hit the powder coaters and get finished up. When we do the final installation, all these plastic panels will be trimmed to fit neatly behind the bumper. What I love about the bumper is how Rainier managed to keep the original lines of the Jimny, maintaining its already good looks.